Hey guys, my name is Amy Jo, and today we're going to be making these adorable clay earrings. For this project, I'm using Sculpey Polymer Clay. I have a couple of clay cutters, the supplies I need for the earrings, so the backs and the jump rings, and then I have a self-healing mat. I also have a clay roller. These aren't wire cutters, but I can't think of what they're called. Oh, needle nose pliers, that's it. This is to make the holes in the clay. You can also use a toothpick, and then I have an X-Acto knife. I almost forgot about these. So I saw a little tip where you can use the popsicle sticks. I'll show you what to do when we get there. It'll be a surprise. Okay, so I want the earrings to be mostly white. So I have 1/4 of a block of the white. Actually, I'm probably gonna add a little more, so maybe I'm gonna do like 1/4 and then a little bit of the orange, a little bit of the beige, and a little bit of the pink. Okay, so I added that. I mean, the earrings are kind of big, so I need quite a bit of clay. So the first thing that we need to do is just work our clay. So getting started with Sculpey is kind of challenging. You just want to warm it up a little bit. And I'm still new to Sculpey clay, so I'm still totally learning. Okay, I think we're ready. So I just want kind of a marbled effect. So I'm going to roll all of my clay into long like little tubes or snakes. Okay, so I've wrapped it all together. And now I'm gonna mix it all up because I want like a kind of marbled look. This totally reminds me of bacon. Okay, I'm gonna use my little trick. So this is so much harder than I thought. I used to have a kids channel, and I used Play-Doh all the time, and I was really, really good at Play-Doh. Sculpey clay is like a different animal. The edges are not clean on this, and I think it's because I have handled the clay too much. So if somebody knows, can you let me know? I can clean it up, but I'm just wondering what I did wrong so I can learn. I love the way these turned out. I also love the way these turned out. This like reminds me of a sunset. I love these so, so, so much. This is the hard part because I have to decide where the holes go. So I think I'm gonna do one pair like this, so the jump ring will connect there. Okay, so I'm excited about this. I have been looking for some like stress-free, fun hobbies, and I think this is gonna be one of them. Okay, I decided that I was going to try something a little different with this. So just cutting a hole in the middle here to make a hoop. This reminds me of, what is the candy? Is it like peach rings? Ooh, those are gonna be cute too. I just had a thought. I could definitely like just cut that in half. And if I did that, let's do that. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared to do this. Okay, I kind of regret that because now I just feel like this needs something. We still have clay, so I can figure something out. I want to show you guys something funny. Look, this looks like a fried egg. So now I need to do something else. Okay, so this is what I've come up with. I salvaged the fried egg, but now I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, and these were like my favorite thing, but to me, this is so long, right? I don't know. This is like a really long earring. Oh goodness, what have I done? All right, here's what I came up with. I kind of messed up this one a little bit, but honestly, I feel like part of the charm of these earrings is like the imperfections. And we can all look back on this one day and laugh about how, how bad my first earrings were. Okay, and these go in the oven for 30 minutes at 275, just following package directions. Guys, I did something I regret. So at the beginning of the video, I was gonna put parchment paper down, and then I didn't. I removed it. I mean, I got started and thought, nah. And now, I don't think I've ruined this, but see how I could scrape it off, but this could have been avoided. So the reason I decided not to is because I thought the razor blade would ruin the parchment paper, but I don't think it matters. I didn't use it that much. So anyway, I just want to be transparent, because when you're making content, lots of things go poorly, and I think it's important to be honest about that. All right, the clay is out of the oven and it's cool, so now we'll add the jump rings. Okay, here is another opportunity to learn from my mistake. So I made the holes too low. They should have been much closer to the edge. So I don't think this looks bad, but it's not what I was trying to do. So just another learning thing, another mistake. Okay, so this is funny. So same thing happened, but look, this one's on top, this one's on the bottom. So I think I'm gonna switch it and try to make them the same. And I think I like this one better. Okay, I did it. I'm already getting better. So I'm finding this is actually a little bit easier to get it going, like just with my fingers. Now, turning the jump ring and getting it all, back to where it needs to be, that is not possible for me without two tools. And I know this one in my left hand is not, I know this is not the purpose, but I'm using what I have, okay? I'm just working with what I've got. Cute. And the last step is to glue on the earring backs. Okay, so this was a super fun project, pretty relaxing, and I'm definitely gonna keep trying to improve my Sculpey skills. So hope you'll come back and check out my progress.